Hey guys, DJ, the ADU Pro here at our noisy construction site. Yes, we have a lot going on today. So yesterday, we passed our first floor framing. Let's just say that. This is not a two-story structure, but it is a raised foundation, as you guys saw in other videos. So they had to inspect all our framing, all our hold downs, and all of our, it's not underground plumbing, but all our under joist plumbing. And we passed that, and now we have sheeting to do. So we have basically 1,200 square feet of plywood to put down. And we're hoping to have this done today. So we have inspection tomorrow afternoon. So the process is we actually have to put the glue on all the joists, and you might be able to see the glue right there before they smack it down. They'll put it down, he'll knock it in place with a sledgehammer so it's nice and tight and sealed in between the seams, and then we'll nail it all down. But after all the sheeting goes down for the floor, we have inspection tomorrow, and then we're able to frame the rest of the structure. But guys, raised foundation ADUs, and let me get so you can see me in the sun. There we go. Raised foundation ADUs. Any questions, DM us, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Again, any videos that you'd like me to do, let us know. DM us any part of a process of an ADU that you want to know. DM us and we'll get it done for you. I think I pretty much covered everything as far as an ADU is concerned, but there might be something that I missed. So guys, we really appreciate you watching our videos. We appreciate your likes. Please give us more likes. Please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have some more subscribers. Again, any questions, DM us or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and I'll be there to help you out. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.